Hey, pretty builders. Today we're going to be talking about funnels, specifically how to sell products inside of your funnel, as well as putting your funnel inside of your website. Now, naturally, a funnel is almost a separate website. It has its own domain, its own store, its own emails and automations, its own contacts, CRM, all of that. But if you want to connect it to where it takes place inside of your website, that way you can use the products that are in your store and have it connect to the same emails that are on your main website. I'm going to show you how to do that today. So it won't be its own separate website. It'll be a part of your website, but it'll still be a funnel where you can focus on selling just one or maybe two things, but keep it focused on just selling those things instead of having like a main full store. So before you create your funnel, you want to make sure that you have the product in your store that you want to sell. This could be a course, this could be an actual product, this could be a webinar, whatever you want to sell. So we have a few ones already in here created. So we'll probably actually sell the adhesive today. So if you were creating a funnel trying to sell an adhesive, that's what we're going to do today. But if you haven't created your product, go ahead and go to your store, click add product, and choose what you want to sell and fill out all the information. If you want to see how to create a product from start to finish, I will link below some videos to help you out. So since we have the product, let's head back and we will go to funnels and we'll create a new funnel. You can choose any of these funnels and you can create it to be selling whatever you want. So I'm just going to pick one of these random funnels just to make it simple. But as I said, you can delete everything in these funnels and make your own pages and do whatever you want. So let's call this funnel adhesive, and the funnel will populate. Okay, so we have the funnel here. It's selling an ebook, but like I said, we're going to be selling an adhesive. It really doesn't matter. I just kind of want to show you how you can sell products inside of your funnel. But as I also said, I want to show you how you can connect this into your store so it's not its own separate website. So as you can see here, it's its own separate website right now. This is the domain for it. You can change the domain in your settings to whatever you want, but we want to sell this inside of our own website instead of making it a separate funnel website. So go back up here to My Sites and Funnels. You're going to go to your funnel here and you're going to click Move to Website inside of this project. And so you can choose from the different websites you have if you have more than one, but we're going to sell it inside of Pretty Dash website. So that way, all of the members and everything will be connected in here. So we can grab from the store products in your website instead of having to create a separate store on your separate funnel. So as you can see here, now the URL is prettydash.co/funnel, and you could change how you want that to be. And so instead of it being its own separate website, it's now a part of the website. So it'll have the same store products that we had before. So let's go back to this funnel that we just put inside of our website, and we'll go to the first page of it. And we really just want to focus on the checkout. So this is the checkout widget that you can grab from here. You're just going to grab the checkout widget and put it wherever you want in your funnel to be able to sell products. So let's just make sure that we're putting the right product into this funnel. So go ahead and click on products here, and you can select the product that you want to sell. And as I said, we're going to sell the adhesive. So make sure you select that one, and now we are good to go. And so you can have this be a one-step checkout instead of having them have to go through a few steps. And to do that, you're just going to click Edit Styling and choose one-step checkout here. You're going to have two-step checkout, three-step checkout, and bring them through different things. But today we're just going to make this simple and be one-step checkout. So they would fill out this information and then they would be done checking out and they could go through. And you can edit how all of this looks if you want. You can change the width of everything by just stretching everything out and moving it around however you want. Another cool thing that you can do is add bump offers. So if you wanted to sell another product, just go over here to click bump offers, click edit, and then add another product. So you can fill out this information and you would choose the other product that you want. So let's say we're selling another physical product with this offer, and we'll put in test headline, test title, test description, just so you can see where that's going to show up. You can make it active by default, so it'll already be checked. So let's go ahead and save that. So now, as you can see, the bump offer is right here with the stuff that I just filled out. So you could have a bump offer through your checkout. And the last thing I want to show you with this is upsell. So if someone, let's say someone filled this out, they wanted the adhesive, they chose the bump offer, but then you wanted another offer to pop up to them after they've clicked submit to purchase this, their information will already be saved if you choose a bump offer. So as you can see here, we already have a bump offer created, but you can add multiple upsells and downsells. So when somebody clicks submit here to purchase this, it's going to bring them to that next page, which is the upsell, and all of their credit card information and all of their name and everything will already be automatically populated, and they can add that to their order as well. So just to show you what it'll look like, it creates just essentially another page that looks just like these, and they will be able to purchase this. So in this example, this is a ebook funnel. So the upsell in this is a newsletter, premium newsletter upsell as well. So they already have all their information populated here, and you want to make sure you put the upsell widget here. So that way they can click on this button saying put us into your inbox, and it'll already have all their information populated, and it'll check them out. Or they can click no thanks, and it'll just bring them to the thank you page. So as you can see, you can sell one or multiple products inside of your funnel, and you can also put it inside of your website. So it's not a separate website, and it has all of the same information that is in your emails, your store, your contacts, and all of that. But if you want a separate funnel, a separate website to have its own domain and its own everything else, that's also an option, because you can get really targeted with search engine optimization that way. But it's really just personal preference whether you want to have separate email addresses and separate domains and all of that. So if you just want it inside of here, just remember you can go up to here and choose to move it into inside of your website. Hopefully that helped you understand funnels a little bit more, and I will also link a few more funnel videos in the description below, as well as how to add products to your store. If you haven't used Pretty Dashboard before, we do offer a free 14-day, 2-week trial to try everything out, build funnels, see how you're liking it, get used to the builder, and go from there. You don't have to enter any credit card information, just your name and email, and you're good to go. If you have any questions at all, you're not understanding any of this, just let me know. You can always contact me at hello@prettydash.co or follow us on Instagram @prettydashboard. All right, Pretty Builders, until next time.